Good morning, welcome to Shawsmead Caravan and Motorhome Club site, located just outside of Quay, and this morning we are going to take a look around. Shawsmead Caravan and Motorhome Club site is located close to the west coast of Wales. The A487 is the nearest main road, but the roads do get a little smaller as you approach the site, so take care. Here is a clip of us driving in so you can see for yourself. And first impressions as we enter the site are pretty good. Let's take a walk around the site. It isn't very big, so we can do it on foot this time, and it's a lovely warm summer's evening in here, makes this site a pleasure to walk around. And here on the right is the only amenities block, and that has the showers, toilets, washing up and the laundry inside. We'll take a look at that in a moment. And here we are already back at reception and back at the entrance. There is a small reception area, and next to that is an information hut, and inside there they do have a large selection of leaflets and information about the area. The amenities block does seem quite new, so let's take a look at the showers and the toilets first. They are typical Caravan and Motorhome Club toilets. And the good news is the showers do have taps and not the push buttons, which we are not big fans of, as you know. And inside there are 3 pegs to hang your clothes and towels on, but there is no seat or shelf to put anything on, so beware of that. And here's the washing up area. It is outside, but it is undercover. They have plugs and large drainers, which is good. And there's a small laundry room with 1 washer and 1 dryer in. They of course have your typical motorhome service point. Decent sized bins for all of your waste, and a clean and tidy chemical disposal point. Okay, let's take a look at what's nearby. It is 15 minutes to the town of Quay, and it's about an hour or so from the start of the Brecon Beacons National Park. Aberystwyth is a bit further north, but you also have the whole of the west coast of Wales to explore. And thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this campsite review, and if you did, why not give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, and all you have to do is click the button below, and we'll see you in the next video.